Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to beat the timekeeper. First, let's talk about preparation. Before facing her, consider your mutations. Gastronomy can provide crucial healing, while vengeance boosts your damage after taking a hit. A shield is incredibly useful for parrying her ranged attacks, turning defense into offense. Make sure your weapons and skills are ready for a fast-paced fight, and always enter with at least 2 health flasks to sustain you through the battle. During the first phase, the Timekeeper will be very aggressive. Her signature dash attack comes in a quick 3-hit combo. Roll through her or away to avoid it. When she throws shurikens, parry them with your shield to stun her and create a damage window. Watch out for her chain attack, which covers a large area. Quickly move to the opposite side of the platform. After she finishes an attack sequence, that's your moment to strike hard. As the fight progresses into its second phase, the Timekeeper introduces new challenges. She will summon several swords that fall from the sky, watch their shadows and dodge accordingly. She also gains a powerful ground-pound attack that sends out a shockwave, so jump or roll through it. Maintain your vigilance, continuing to parry her shurikens and dodge her dash attacks. Keep up the pressure with your attacks, aiming to deplete her remaining health as efficiently as possible. To truly master this fight, understanding her attack patterns is key. Each of her moves has a tell, allowing you to anticipate and react. Try to maintain a medium distance. This allows you to dodge her close-range attacks while still being able to close in for your own. Don't forget to use your skills and grenades strategically to interrupt her or deal significant burst damage. Remember, patience and precise dodging are often more effective than simply rushing in headfirst.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.